This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To change your default download destination in Waterfox, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and then on the center pane you want to scroll down to where you see the Files and Applications section, and right here, Download. Files are saved to. By default it should be set to your download folder, but to change that it's very easy to do. You just go off to the right and you click on Browse. Another little dialog box pops up, and from here you can choose a different destination. Say I wanted to change mine to my desktop. I'm going to click on Desktop. Then I'm going to go off to the right here. I'm going to click on Select Folder, and I have changed my download destination to my desktop. That is how to change your default download destination in Waterfox. Thanks for watching.